Changing your payout method on Gumroad is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment preferences easily. Step 1. Log into your Gumroad account. Visit the Gumroad website and log in using your seller account credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Access Payout settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Payouts tab. Click on it to view your current payout method and other related options. Step 4. Update your payout method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your new payout method is updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Gumroad. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Gumroad support for assistance.